everybody, my name is Castielle. Welcome to my channel. Today I will open this baby alive toy. Look.
Yes, hello everybody. And yeah, Castielle is going to open her baby alive toys. And which one do you like to open first? You go choose.
This.
Okay, go ahead. And Ate Erica will help you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, go ahead. First, we're going to put that aside. Those baby alive. Go ahead. You put it there first. That is your first baby, right?
Yeah.
Let us see your first baby.
Here.
There is the... What do you call that?
Mermaid.
Mermaid. And I can see that, what, she has a bottle?
Yeah.
Feeding bottle?
Like this.
Like this.
Look.
Let us see. Wow. Alright. Go ahead and Ate Erica will help you. There,
There's a
look.
lot of
I
pieces.
know, right? Yeah.
This.
And let us see first. Let us see the box. There. It's the
Baby alive.
baby alive crib.
Toy.
Again, what is that?
Baby alive toy.
Crib. That's the crib, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Then you go help Ate.
Look.
Yeah, that is the what?
Blanket.
Blanket. Alright, go ahead. Let's see this one. Look, Ate is helping you. There.
Mommy, look, it's already done.
Yeah, I know. It's nice. And what are we going to put next, Castielle?
This one.
And that is the hanging toy.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Then you help Ate. Look.
Wait, we need a battery.
Again.
Wait,
Never mind. We have
No.
lots of batteries.
no.
No batteries?
There's already battery.
Okay. Can we try?
Okay, this way.
Alright. Wow, look at that. Baby toys.
We can
Nice.
spin it around.
There.
Let's try it.
Wow, nice. That's nice. You go ahead, then you go try put your baby mermaid.
Baby mermaid.
Yeah. And look, we forgot about this, the pillow.
A
See?
pillow.
The pillow. Wow, nice. And she also has a
Blanket.
blanket. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Good job. You like the toy?
Yeah.
Alright. And what will be the next? The?
This one.
Okay, the stickers first, okay? We're going to put the stickers. And the
try
next...
it.
Yeah. And the next would be what? The
This one.
trolley.
Yeah, I mean this.
Okay, go ahead and we're going to put the stickers there.
Mommy, look at the stickers. It's there already.
I know. Wow, very nice. And where are we going to put that first? At the back, right? Because we're going to open the...
Trolley.
Go ahead and you put it at the back first. Wow, and it has sounds. Nice, very nice toy. Okay, turn it off first.
Oh, what
And
is
then we're
that?
going to open the... Go ahead and open the trolley. Yes. There. Okay, let's see, Castielle, look. Wow!
Just like that.
Yeah, go ahead. Ate, help. Please. There, look. Can you try the baby? Can you put the baby there? Can you go get the baby first?
Yeah. Look at the trolley, Mommy.
Wow, look at that baby. The baby fits?
Yeah.
Yeah, there. Baby alive. Wow, nice trolley. Okay, you can put the trolley first at the back because we're going to open the other baby. What do you want to open first? This one or the other one?
This one.
Alright, let us see first. Let us show them. Let us see. There. It's a step and giggle baby, and please press the stomach so we can hear. Look at that! Look at that! And it says there that the shoe slides up. Okay, go ahead and let's open.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited about this toy?
Yeah.
Yeah, and these are your gifts last time during your 5th birthday, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Wow, nice. Let us see at the back first.
Let us see.
Wow. And inside, we can see that, wow. Look, Castielle, she has eyeglasses,
Oh,
right? And do you have it there in front? Let us see.
fun.
Yeah, so, this baby alive has what?
Glasses.
A glasses.
And a diaper.
And a diaper. And what else do you have there?
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Sippy cup.
Wow.
And what? What is this one?
Comb.
Comb. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Castielle. Excited?
Yeah, excited.
Wow! What is that?
Baby.
Go ahead. Wow, nice!
Nice.
Happy?
Happy so much.
Okay, there you have it. The complete set. And that is the what?
Water bottle.
Water bottle. There, look. Wow, does it fit? You need to fix the eyeglasses, Chel. Look at the eyeglasses. There, look at that. Uh-oh. Wow, and you can also comb the hair, right?
Of course.
Yeah, the bangs. Wow, look at that. Nice. And now we're going to open the
Other baby alive.
other baby alive. There. And we're going to put the baby. Wow, look at that shoes, Chel. Yeah. Okay, let's put the baby first there in the baby crib. Yes.
I put here down.
You put her the blanket.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, and let's open the last baby alive, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Whoa.
Wow, nice.
This is my last baby alive, Mommy.
Okay, go ahead and you open. Go ahead, open it.
Whoa.
Okay. Alright, Castielle, there you go. The baby, the other baby. Let us see the baby. Wow, nice. Wow. The color of the hair is what?
Brown.
Brown. The same as the Mermaid. Yeah. Let us see this one. Yeah, look. This one. Yeah, baby alive also. Wow. And it also have a water bottle and a diaper. Nice.
Diapers. Look at my baby alive toys, mommy.
Yeah, I know. And how many baby dolls you have?
3.
3. Okay. You go count. That's 1.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
3. Yeah. And what are those?
The water bottle.
Wow. So you have 3 water bottle also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else is in there? The diapers?
Diapers.
So you have extra diapers right there.
Extra diaper.
Yeah. Show them your extra diaper. There. And what else do you have? Do you have food?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see your food. And that would be the food for the
Baby.
Yes. Do you like your toys?
Super like it.
All
I
right.
like it so much.
Yes.
Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!
Yes, thank you very much again, guys, for watching us. And remember to be
Safe always!
bye!